How to mount a LightMove AEW 230. Take the LightMove handlebar bracket for left and right mounting and note the interlocking. Add the washer and the bolt and mount to the LightMove AEW 230 MTB headlight. Fix after checking the correct position. Mount to the handlebar. Now, install the high-low beam switch. First, check the L-ring location. Then, connect the switch to the L-ring and fix it. Route the cable using the LightMove CG cable guides. Connect the light cable wire with the crimped cable lug to the plus and minus of the light port and fix it. Then, close and mount the motor cover. Check if all is correct.